Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle an important question for those of you interested in affiliate marketing but have limited funds. Yes, you heard it right. We'll be discussing how you can start affiliate marketing without any money. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. Affiliate marketing can be a fantastic way to earn passive income and build a successful online business. It's all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. But what if you don't have any money to invest in the beginning? Don't worry, because we've got you covered with some actionable tips. Step 1. Utilize free online platforms. There are several free platforms that you can leverage to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. One popular option is social media. Create accounts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Share valuable content related to your niche and engage with your audience. Building a strong following will eventually lead to more clicks on your affiliate links. Step 2. Start a blog or a website. Creating a blog or website doesn't have to be expensive. Platforms like WordPress offer free options to get started. Write informative and engaging content related to your niche and incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your articles. This way, you can drive traffic to your website and increase your chances of earning commissions. Step 3. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, and in affiliate marketing, it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. Look for free webinars, online courses, or tutorials that provide valuable insights into affiliate marketing. By learning from experienced marketers, you'll gain a competitive edge and increase your chances of success. Transition. Visuals of a person networking with others. Join online communities, forums, and social media groups that focus on affiliate marketing. Connect with fellow marketers, exchange ideas, ask questions, and learn from each other's experiences. Networking can open up opportunities, collaborations, and mentorships, even without investing money. Host. Step 5. Track and analyze your efforts. To maximize your results and optimize your strategies, it's crucial to track your affiliate marketing campaigns. There are free tools available, such as Google Analytics, that can provide valuable insights into your website traffic, conversions, and user behavior. By analyzing this data, you can refine your approach and improve your chances of generating income. And finally, Step 6. Be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, hard work, and consistency. Keep creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and refining your strategies. With time and effort, you'll start seeing the results and earning those commissions. Host. So, there you have it. Starting affiliate marketing without money is indeed possible. By utilizing free online platforms, creating a blog or website, educating yourself, networking with like-minded individuals, tracking your efforts, and